Hello everyone. Welcome back to Upcoming Smartphones Hub. Today we have the brand new Infinix Note 60 Pro 5G, a smartphone that is creating a lot of buzz thanks to its premium design, large storage, and impressive features at an affordable price that if you're looking for a stylish smartphone with powerful performance and excellent value for money. Stay tuned because this device might be the perfect choice for you. The first thing you'll notice about the Infinix Note 60 Pro is its premium and modern design. The flat-frame body gives it a flagship appearance, while the slim profile makes it comfortable to hold. The camera module on the back looks elegant and adds a premium touch to the overall design. Whether you're using it at work, school, or for social media, this phone definitely stands out. Moving to the display, the Infinix Note 60 Pro features a large and vibrant screen that delivers sharp visuals and rich colors. Watching YouTube videos, scrolling through social media, or playing games feels smooth and enjoyable. The high refresh rate makes animations look fluid and responsive, providing a premium viewing experience. Under the hood, the Infinix Note 60 Pro comes with a capable processor paired with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. This combination allows you to multitask smoothly, switch between apps quickly, and store thousands of photos, videos, and applications without worrying about space. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming content, or playing popular mobile games, the phone delivers reliable performance for daily use. The camera system is another highlight of this device. It captures detailed photos during daylight and produces vibrant colors that look great on social media. Portrait shots offer good background blur, while AI enhancements help improve image quality automatically for video creators and TikTok users. The front camera is perfect for selfies and video recordings with clear details and natural skin tones. Battery life is one of the strongest features of the Infinix Note 60 Pro. The large battery easily lasts throughout the day, even with heavy usage. Whether you're gaming, watching videos, or chatting with friends, you won't need to worry about running out of power. Fast charging support allows you to recharge quickly and get back to using your phone without long waiting times. The phone runs a modern Android-based operating system with useful customization options. So, should you buy the Infinix Note 60 Pro? If you want a smartphone with a premium design, large storage, good cameras, long battery life, and solid everyday performance without spending a fortune, then the Infinix Note 60 Pro is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more upcoming smartphone reviews and technology updates. See you in the next video.